Hello guys, my name is Prince and this is Math Center. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Post your comments and questions on my social media handles and I'll respond to it. We are still on the topic plane geometry. In the previous video, we solved some questions on triangles. In this video, we are going to solve two more questions. So let's begin by looking at the first one. We are being told to find the value of the letter or letters in the following diagram. We have only one letter in this diagram, which is the letter S, so we are finding the value of S. So let's begin with the solution. Now we can see that from this diagram, triangle ABC and triangle ACD are all isosceles triangles. So with triangle ABC, you can see that the angle here and the angle here will be the same. And for triangle ACD, the angle that will be formed here and the angle that will be formed here will also be the same because they are isosceles triangles. Now because we have a certain angle with a value here, we are going to begin our solution from this side so that it will be very simple for us. Now let's begin. Because triangle ACD is an isosceles triangle, we can see that angle CDA and angle CAD, which means this side and this side, are equal. So if this side is M, this side is also going to be M. We are beginning from this side because we have a value here. You can see from here that there is no value here, so it will be difficult to begin from this side. Because we have a value here which is 145 degrees, it is easier to begin from here. Now, with 145 degrees and M here, we can find the value of M because we know that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees and M and 145 degrees are on a straight line. So M plus 145 degrees will give us 180 degrees. We simplify and M will give us 35 degrees. So we have here to be 35 degrees and here to be 35 degrees, so we can find the other interior angle of this isosceles triangle. So let's assume that this side here is this side here is N. We know that interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, so M plus N will give us 180 degrees. M is 35 degrees, so we are having 35 degrees plus 35 degrees plus N to give us 180 degrees. So 35 plus 35 will give us 70. So we are having 70 degrees plus N is equal to 180 degrees. So we simplify and N is giving us 110 degrees. So we have here to 110 degrees. So we see that we began from here and we are working towards the triangle ABC, which has the letter S in it. Now we are able to find the side here. Now because triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, angle ABC and angle ACB are equal. So if this side is S, this side is also going to be S. We know the value of N, so we can use S and N and the property that angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees to find the value of S. Because angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees, you can say that S plus N will give us 180 degrees. We know the value of N, right? It's 110 degrees. So S plus 110 degrees will give us 180 degrees. So you simplify and S is giving us 70 degrees. Remember, the question is not telling us to find the value of this side here, which is S. We are finding the value of S here. So with this, we know that interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So S plus X is equal to 180 degrees. We have found X to be 70 degrees. So 70 degrees plus 70 degrees plus X here will give us 180 degrees. We simplify, we are getting 140 degrees plus X is equal to 180 degrees. So S will give us 40 degrees. So we see that from this diagram, we have used the property of isosceles triangles to find the value of S. So whenever the question is given to you, you study the diagram very carefully, then use the properties of triangles that you've learned to solve the question. Let's consider the next one. So we have this diagram here, and we are supposed to find the value of S here. Now you can see that this is a quadrilateral, a four-sided figure. So P, R, Q, S. Now to turn this into a triangle so that we can solve, I'm going to draw another line here, as you can see here. Now you see, as soon as I draw this line here, you can see that we have triangle PSQ and triangle PRQ. Let's begin by tackling the triangle inside here, then we move on to the outside triangle. So triangle PSQ is an isosceles triangle. You see that there is this line here and this line here, showing that this side and this side are the same. So it means the angle that will be formed here and the angle that will be formed here will be equal. So triangle PSQ is an isosceles triangle, so we can say that angle SPQ and angle SQP, which means that this side and this side are equal. So if here is A, here is going to be A. I hope that is clear, because triangle PSQ. Forget about the lines here and the angle here. We are dealing with triangle PSQ. And because it's an isosceles triangle, if here is A, here is going to be A. Now we can find A. We know that the interior angles of a triangle are sum up to 180 degrees. So A plus 95 degrees will give us 180 degrees. A plus A will give us 2A plus 95 degrees will be 180 degrees. So 2A will be equal to 180 degrees minus 95 degrees, which is 2A is equal to 85 degrees. We divide both sides by 2, and A is giving us 42.5 degrees. So you have found this side to be 42.5 degrees. You have also found this side here to be 42.5 degrees. Remember, the question did not tell us to find A. We even introduced A so that you'll be able to find S. So we move on to the bigger triangle, which is triangle PRQ. That's what we move on to. Now let's consider triangle PRQ. We can also see that triangle PRQ is an isosceles triangle. Triangle PRQ is an isosceles triangle because you can see from here that there are two lines here and there are also two lines here, meaning that line PR and line QR have the same length. And we know that in isosceles triangles, two sides are of the same length. So if two sides are of the same length, then it means that triangle PQR or PRQ is an isosceles triangle. And if it's an isosceles triangle, then angle QPR, so QPR, and angle RQP, which angle QPR is this whole angle here, S plus A. Angle RQP will be this whole angle here. Now because it's an isosceles triangle, this side and this side must be the same. So if here is A and here is A and here is S, then this side here must be S. I hope that is clear. Because triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle, if this side here is A and this side here is A and here is S, then here must also be S, because triangle PQR is an isosceles triangle. From here, we can proceed to find the value of S. We know that the interior angles of a triangle sum up to 180 degrees. So we are now considering triangle PQR. So it means that 25 degrees, which is this angle here, plus when you come here, we have S plus S and A. So S plus A plus S plus A must give us 180 degrees. So here we are considering the bigger triangle. In the previous slide, in finding A, we considered this smaller triangle. This time, we are considering the bigger triangle here, which is also an isosceles triangle. So we have 25 degrees plus S plus A plus S plus A will give us 180 degrees. We have found the value of A. A is 42.5 degrees. So we have 25 degrees plus s plus 42.5 degrees plus s plus 42.5 degrees will give us 180 degrees. We add all the numbers and we are getting 110 degrees. So s plus s will give us 2s. So 2s plus 110 degrees will give us 180 degrees. 2s will give us 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. 180 minus 110 is 70, so 2s will give us 70 degrees. We divide both sides by 2 and we are getting s to be 35 degrees. So from here to we have used the properties of an isosceles triangle to find the value of s. Thank you for watching this video. Pick more examples on triangles and try your hands on them. If you have any problem or any difficulty in solving it, you can interact with me on my social media handles and I'll help you to solve it. See you in the next video where we'll solve more questions on angles in a triangle. This time, some of the lines in the triangle will be power lines. Bye bye.